Yo, what's up guys? Peter here, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video we are playing BaloonsTD6, yes. Balloons TD6. And this is balloons, yes. So I actually did make a video on this earlier, but it actually got corrupted because I did it wrong. So, woohoo! You'll love to see that. Anyways guys, I am on the new mic. Got it for Christmas. Good thing. Anyways, guys, huge shout out to Anthony, my good friend. Really good friend. Guys, so I have some of this stuff unlocked, but I don't have most of it unlocked because I did that in that video that got deleted because of my expertise. Some people could call it. I think we'll just put this. Actually, no, I want enough to get my hero. So I'm gonna put you there for now. Then I'll put. What's her name? Golden. Anyways, then I can put my hero down. So you see, I've unlocked this whole caption. I don't know how to get the Dartling Gunner. That's gonna be weird, but I'll figure that out. For right now, we're just saving up to get my hero. And so maybe, so then now we can have that going on for a little long. That, so we can build up some money. I just jammed my finger. Ah, that's gonna suck. Oh no. Yeah, no, he got him. Alright. So now I'm gonna sell you. I'm actually gonna put you right there. Upgrade you a little. Alright. So you should be able to hold on these waves for a little. So, anyways, that would be good. Alright, so he dealt that round pretty well. Now the balloons are coming through. So I think I'll be able to hold this off for a little bit longer. I think I'm gonna add. Yeah, I'll add this boomerang. That's what it's called. So the balloon won't be able to get that far. So that'd be pretty good. Oh, there's no use in the submarine. There's no water here. I should have done a map with water. Yes, I see how this is all locked. Oh, that's not good. So I think the next one, when I level up, I'm gonna get the ninja monkey. So that would be pretty nice. Alright, so we're gonna always put this dude right here, because it's always good for. You wanna do more attacks and more attacks. Do you wanna go all middle row, 2 bottom row? All this is the best one, in my opinion. Oh wow, he actually did something. Yeah, alright, so now I could get the super. How much is he? How much does the super monkey? Yeah, I'm just gonna get the ninja. It's actually a pretty solid one. When I level up again, I'll get super monkey because I don't know the starting price, and I know it's the best monkey in the game. But still, it's probably the real expensive. Like if the helicopter's 1,000, and that's really good. So I'm expecting it to be a lot for the thing with the super monkey. I don't remember the real price. So I'm getting the sniper so it starts getting some XP. That just shoots everywhere so it doesn't matter. You know, I just want to start getting everything out there to get XP. It's just the best bet for me right now. To get them so they can get all upgraded. So this, I actually have plans for this guy. I want him to go all middle row. I mean all top row. Then I'm gonna go bottom row. So then I'll be able to take off the lead. Which will be pretty good. So that will be good. I want to do that and that. So now we can get camos. And this guy only pops. Not surprised that he doesn't, so I'm gonna. Yeah, I guess I'll get that. Stronger glue. target mob. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. So I'm just gonna save up for this one. Yeah. Holding up pretty well right here. Hot red tags, good. Alright, so that's important because that can get lead. Lead is real important to get rid of. And that's why actually this guy can't do it. Wait, can he? I don't think so. Anyways, this guy will be able to take the lead off, I'm pretty sure. So that means. So upgrading the sniper, get vision. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I know what I'm doing. So I'll do 2 of that. There's another sniper down. Get him night vision. So they both have night vision, right? Yeah, they both have night vision. That's nice. Hang on. Shoot, did I just upgrade him? Oh, okay, so that will bounce off. I don't know if that's big or anything, but hang on. Wait. Hold up. I was just trying to test something. Alright. Wait, so hang on. What does say fire hurts lungs? This is currently level 5. Power. So believes that there's enough room. So I don't know what that does. That's weird. Alright, so now I think we'll be able to do that. Dude, this is actually holding up. We don't even have many monkeys. Crap, I actually want to get the ninja down so he can start getting XP. He'll be a key figure to get XP for. Actually, I don't like how I placed him. I'm gonna go right there. He'll start getting some pops. I want to get the Marauder out. Yeah, I guess I'll put him right there. Yeah, finally got an upgrade for this man. Do a bigger blast. Actually, the battery, I really like. It just goes like that, so that's actually pretty. It's fun. It's just fun to watch. Yay! Alright. Now we can actually see how much the super monkey costs. Yeah, no, I'm not really surprised that it costs that much. Alright, good. Ninja can do some. So I think we save up for this one, so then that can take camo off. So then every monkey can see it. So like if it has little camo things on it, then that means every monkey cannot see it. So that's not good. I think after this wave we'll have enough XP. Oh, they're starting to get through. Oh, I didn't upgrade this guy. What am I doing? Good. Alright, so you can get that. Now we just need 600. So we need a 500 more. This guy got. Yeah. Wait. Good. Alright, and this guy gets an upgrade. Faster reload. I'm gonna do increased accuracy. Because, you want the accuracy. Dude! My snipers are just handling them. Where are they? I think that was a round of camo. And that was the camo round. That's why they couldn't come out. this man gets a level up. Glue hose is pretty fun. But I like dissolving glue, because it just literally dissolves them all away. I'm gonna save up for Ring of Fire. Actually, Override is pretty fun. So. No, I'll do that. I'm gonna give you the Super Monkey Fan Club. Super Monkey. Remember that does cost a lot, so I'm gonna do that. I like Super Monkey Fan Club. Big fans of the Super Monkey. And speaking of Super Monkey, I need to get him on the field. Because there's a little someone called the Black Knight. And the Black Knight, let me tell you something about him. He is good. He's so overpowered. Let's keep going. Semi-auto. I'm obsessed with the semi-auto. I'm sorry. For anyone that plays this game and is obsessed, you're probably thinking right now, what is this man doing? I'm sorry. I'm addicted. I just love it. It shoots so fast. I need 600, so I'm not gonna buy anything, so. Saving up for the Super Monkey. Yeah, my plan worked. The leads. Oh. Yeah, I'll get the Magician. Why not? I'm gonna get him in the field. Field of battle. So you can start getting some pops. Now I'm saving up for the heli. Oh, okay, I already got him. I'm just gonna bring that over there. I just need to get pursuit. Alright, money's flowing in, my guy. Alright, this is the last round. And we got it, everyone. So I will get back to you. I'm actually gonna keep on playing, so I'm gonna get back to you guys when, well, yeah. Right now, welcome back. We're still doing pretty good. We got 3 helicopters. So, and we made a lot of upgrades. Still, we have started getting around to here, the farthest, maybe here. But, so it's actually holding up pretty well. I'll tell you that. I'm really happy about this. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get to round 97, hopefully. Oh, yeah, who knows? Boys and girls, level 78. At our match. It happens. You win, you lose some. And the only way you can get over it is by just clicking next. Anyways, guys, if you guys do enjoy, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post note. Never mind. Screw that. See you guys soon. Well, yes, we cannot beat. Look, wave 78. I'm gonna match again. This time I'm not spending my monkey money. That's not stuff. Anyway, guys, if you guys do enjoy, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I see you guys in the next one.